Today I am going to show you my first digital drawing on this iPad, and I use this app Sketchbook, and this is my first drawing. There are certain layers that you can see that I have gone through. This I will switch off other layers. So this was my first layer, first layout. Then I did this. Then I did some eyes work, and then finally it came to like this. And guess what? How did I do this? This is the pen that I have made yesterday using some household items. It has some water, which is you can see it is coming through this nib, and this water is taken by this earbud. This earbud is connected to this copper coil. This copper coil is connected to your hand when you're writing, so finally you can give your touch of your hand to the iPad, because the water is a good conductor of electricity. So this is quite accurate, and I really like scrolling through this on my phone also. This is working quite well on my phone screen as well as on iPad, and I did all this, and it is like very quick. It doesn't lag at all. You can take a quick review on this also. Just see. I will show you now how this custom made stylus is working. Now you see this. Let's open a file. Again, a sketchbook. So open a new file. Create. So now here's a new file. I have the stylus. Now I will use some color and I will write. Simple iPad DIY stylus. Did you see? It didn't lag. It doesn't lag at all. See? This is copper, this is water. What else do you need? I think anybody can have this. Only this pen. This pen you may need, and it is easily available in the market. I actually bought this pen for my watercolor drawings, and suddenly it came to my mind that I can use it like this. So I just did some experiment yesterday, and it so succeeded. Thanks for watching.